Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, home of the access point and heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. And here we're putting out a lot of orders here, and a lot of orders that come in just recently. And from our other Blue Baron factory division had just delivered some of these tanks to its final assembly location, and you can see what they look like when they're powder coated. They come out really beautiful. They're a lifetime warranty tank, very well designed, very heavy duty, heavy gauge marine aluminum. It's got all the hookup for the pump out features right here. You got where you can put the pipe on, and we can change our size of what fit whatever machine you want for a different size blower. So we start out as a 3-inch, and then we can push it down to the appropriate size for whatever blower that we decide to use. This is your inlet, and then we got a thermal relief right here, so a bunch of fittings come into play here, and of course when it's done it looks beautiful. So at our factory, this is Holiday, Florida, 15 years building. We have a fully finished 47XL that's going out. Came out beautiful. And it's got the access point heat exchanger, gets great heat, great suction. We use the proper pipe convention without any restrictions. And there's nothing, it's all free flow. So when the vacuum system comes off your tank, it goes straight across and into your silencer. This is an open concept. We don't have cabinetry or louvered covers. We call smother covers. We allow an easy circulation of air to flow across the components to give you a lot of longevity, and you don't end up with problems with early engine failure, pump failure, or blower failure, or many other parts that are associated with this truck mount. So as you can see, it's beautifully set up. It's a beautiful truck mount, and I'll turn it around here so that you can see it a lot better outside of the sun. And we have a 37 horse Kohler on it. It's all air cooled, all stainless headers, quarter plate. No other manufacturer in the industry has quarter plate. Very sturdy, lifetime warranty on this frame, as well as the waste tank. 3 years on the engine, 1.5 years on the blower, and all the other parts are 1 year warranted. We believe in what we build. There's a passion behind what we do. We've been building for 15 years. As you can see, the quality, it's amazing. Everything's maxed out. You got 316 TIG welded headers, solid header all the way across. And then we have the connection here with a stainless flex hose. Everything's high quality. We have an all stainless post heater at the bottom. We have stainless steel braided hoses, which a lot of companies don't want to put money into. But we believe what we put into, we get back, because the customer will end up coming back to us, buying their second unit, adding another truck. And we've had a lot of people that have already done that. Our reputation is impeccable. People love what we're doing, and our repair record is just so good because, like I said, we put so much into what we do, and the quality of the parts that we use, and the workmanship is second to none. Blue Baron is making its mark across the U.S. and as well as abroad outside of U.S. as well, but we're focused in on getting our people together here in the States with the best. My focus is on the U.S. and making sure that we're in the industry to provide for them a high quality truck mount and with a user-friendly panel. Everything is easy to operate. All stainless pipe. Look at that. Thermostatic control. We have our Blue Baron emblem going across, nicely laid out. This is the Blue Baron, again, the 47XL, fully operational panel with tachometer and hour meter and pressure gauge, vacuum gauge, temperature gauge, and an aviator throttle. Gives you a great takeoff in RPMs and a safe landing in RPMs. Has a micro adjust so that you can adjust the RPMs in between different ranges. It's a well-designed machine. Even our pressure regulated unloader. We've got a drain for our water box so that when you winterize it, you can get pure antifreeze put into your water box. An inlet coming off your spigot or freshwater tank. For your lobe lubrication, a gravity feed cup that will produce lubrication for the lobes in your blower. Last step injection. And your 2 ports that you can do. This is a dual wand setup. Now you can run this 47XL. It's 560 CFM. It's a 4LR blower made by Gardner Denver Suterbilt. And just like I said, everything is easy to get to. Belt change outs are quick and easy. You don't have to struggle with louvered covers. A lot of these truck mounts are so condensed you can't even get in there. It's a maintenance nightmare. But with this, you have a drain, easy drain. You just lay it over here to drain your pump oil off to the side. You've got brackets here to push on to make sure you get a perfect alignment with your pullbacks right here. Guard safety for the belts and pulleys to protect against your hands getting in there. So we've done a lot here to produce a very, very high quality machine. And a machine typical of this would be probably 27 to 30,000 or more at places like John Donne. But because we're a factory, we can produce a product much cheaper because everything is done here at the factory. We have that access point heat exchanger that not only we have supplied other manufactured truck mounts, but this is our basic icon of the Blue Baron series of truck mounts. And we're very proud of the way that it absorbs heat. It has longevity, has infrastructured in a way that has low wear, and quick absorption to heat, stable heat. Very good regulatory system for temperature. Just a beautifully laid out unit, and everything is here. And this one's going out in a few days. And with that, we have a 45SC. We had another 45SC go out back about a week and a half ago. Again, this is the beginning of December, and we're not slowing down. We haven't slowed down since the turn of 2019. I mean, it's been really, really busy. We got 2 more other orders coming in. We have our heat exchanger department here where we're doing some heat exchangers for the ProChem aftermarkets, a couple of Legend and a 405. More heat exchangers here, and we're building the boxes here, the inline filter boxes. They come out beautiful, and once we're done with those, you're very impressive, very easy to maintain your recovery tanks. Having these inline filter boxes, they're actually 3/16 thick. Look at that. Nobody builds an inline filter box like Blue Baron. So with all of that, we're taking on orders. You can call us anytime at 727-505-2989 or go on our store at truckmountstore.com 24/7. My name is Pete, and I'll look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.